What's going on, guys? We're on the regulator in the middle of this rewire. I gotta pull 3 sets of wire up to this electronics box. One for the forward spreader, one for these overhead map lights, and then one for the anchor light. And then I gotta run a few wires up under the deck to here and then run it forward. I need 1 set of wire for the nav lights, 2 sets for those 2 speakers, and then there might be a horn hidden up there if I remember correct. Let me see. I gotta say, I do like this cover a lot. It's a good cover. All of their covers on this boat were very nice. Yeah, I think that's the horn right there. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Alright. I got the 3 lengths measured out. A little extra. This is for the hardtop wiring. So now I'm going to label. First one will be anchor light. Light. Alright, I need 2 more lengths and then I'll pull my wires for up there. Alright, just gotta do that one more time. Label, and then I'll pull them up. Label, label, label. All right. Now I'm gonna yank them. Getting them all straight. So when I pull them, it's not a big knot. Most important, otherwise you're going to have lots of trouble pulling everything, like me. Now I will tape them to the wires I left in here, and I'm going to pull it down. It's usually easier to pull down than up. Sometimes. Don't quote me on it, because it's not every time. But usually it is. Might be that fake stuff called gravity. Now I'm going to yank it down. Got them all laid out nice and straight. I do put grease on it. Anything to lube it up. You don't want it to be dry and painful. Know what I'm saying? Alright, I'm gonna yank it. Oh, almost. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Oh. All right, I got it all pulled through, thanks to my help of the billy goat. All right, guys, we're gonna do a little switch panel wiring. Gonna be making some crimps with these, and these guys are gonna be helping me. I'm gonna do this in the garage. It's my favorite part of the job. I can sit in a chair and relax and wire some switches up. I'll show you how to use all the crimping tools and the pins and all this. I love these kind of switches because unlike the Bocatex, these, when a switch goes bad, because they always go bad, you can just unscrew the switch, take the plug out, and swap a switch out, where Bocatex, you gotta cut the wires because it's hardwired. Not ideal for a boat. Now, here's the crimpers I use for, you know, the douche style pins. These are just the best, I think, for the price. The JR Ready or J Ready ones, they're like 3 times as expensive as these were. These are simple. Put the wire in there, and then you, let's see if I can do this. The wire goes through the back. Oh no, like this. Yeah. You put it in there, put the wire in right there, and squeeze. And it makes the most absolute perfect crimp every time. Nice. I got all the colors separated, labeled, zip tied. Now I'm gonna put it in the boat, and I'll organize and clean this a lot better once it's in the place it needs to go. But this is just so I don't lose my mind when I'm in the boat. That's why I like to do it in a garage or somewhere open. I stretch all the wire out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that looks good. You got the sun and the carbon making it pop. She looks pretty. Look at this. Now I get to sit in here for about a week and connect everything. Wish me luck. Alright, we're in the regulator. Taking the bus bars out that are in here, all the terminal blocks, and then I'm going to start getting this crazy mess organized for you guys and me. These are all still good, but I got all new ones for everything, because when you redo a boat, you replace everything. Dang, wind. I gotta strap that door. Almost chopped my head off. All right. All right, so we got the switch panel madness in here. I got all of the systems that I ran new wire for here. And then here, I'm gonna run this up and over. I'm gonna clean all of this up. That's probably gonna be about it for this video. Next video, I will be pulling engine battery wire, the cables for the engines, 2 sets of that. Get all the big wire done and bus bars figured out, and you know, all of the clean OCD final touches will be in the next probably 2 videos. I got pretty much everything ran now. Yeah, that's really about it. Thanks for watching, guys. Oh, one more thing. When I was pulling all the old wire out of the boat, I found a lot of this. Right, this is 1 butt connector, 2 sets. There's more. 3. So we got 2 different colors and 3 sets on one little strip that's maybe about 5 feet. They couldn't have, you know, just ran a new wire.